Blueface runs from the beat like he's allergic to it. Here's the beat. And Blueface is right here going like this in a whole different direction. It's like, bruh, the beat is like this. Go like this.
Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Welcome back.
Yeah, man, how you doing? You good? I know you like that. I know you like that. How long you been back, man?
Alright, so I got my phone right here where I done wrote down all my opinions and thoughts about a lot of stuff. We only gonna talk about a few in this video. Might do a part 2 depending on how it go. But okay. Alright. First and foremost, all water is not good water. All water don't taste the same. And whoever said that, we need to fight. Period. Okay? So look. Store brand water is not good at all, period. Store bought water is not good, period. Okay? Now we can fight about this back and forth, but Arrowhead and Fiji water is the best water on the planet Earth. We can fight about it later, but I said what I said. Chick-fil-A is disgusting. I'm sorry, but not sorry. Chick-fil-A is not good, period. And Raising Cane's is the best chicken spot on planet Earth right now. We can fight about it later, but it's my opinion. I said what I said, and Chick-fil-A is trash. I ain't talking about AirPods are overpriced and too expensive, and that the regular standard headphones are better. Who told y'all that? Who told y'all that? See these right here? AirPods? Yeah, they're better than regular headphones or any other headphones on planet Earth. I don't care what no one says. We can fight about it later. I said what I said, and it is what it is. Period. Fila's are trash. I don't know who brought Fila's back, but Fila's is not what's popping. Okay? Period. Back in the day, you would have got clowned if you would have had on some Fila's. And that's right up there on the alley with LA Gear when they came back out with these damn light up shoes. And everybody was going to go buy these damn light up shoes. Grown people was wearing light up shoes. We not doing that. Nah. That's out. Period. We not doing that. Fila's is garbage. And if I see someone with Fila's on, I'm clowning you. Period. Snapchat, trash. I only use Snapchat for their filters. Period. That's it. When they did that little punk update in 2018, goodbye. We'll see y'all later. It's okay. We're gonna be friends after this still though. I hope so. Cardi B is better than Nicki Minaj. Period. Point blank. We could fight about it. Barty gang all the way. And I don't care what nobody's talking about. It's Barty gang. So, yeah. That's out. Goodbye. I don't want y'all to try to drag me. But feel free. Apple Music is better than Spotify. Okay? Call me bougie, whatever you want to call me, but Apple Music is better than Spotify, period. And Rhapsody. Neapolitan ice cream is disgusting. Whoever decided to come up with all 3 flavors in one, nasty. And I don't care what nobody's talking about. No. What? Strawberry, chocolate, and vanilla all in one. Who does this stuff? Like, who? Why? Cheese pizza is the best pizza ever. Adding all that extra stuff onto your pizza, trash. Trash. Pizza is supposed to be cheese, the sauce, and the bread. Like, that's it. I don't eat meat on my pizza. I don't like salad on my pizza. I don't like onions on my pizza or none of that extra stuff. Just give me the cheese pizza and that's it. Bird Box was the funniest shit ever. Bird Box had people walking around here scared to look outside. Scared to look out the sun. Scared the wind was gonna get them. Bird Box was the funniest thing ever. Everybody was super terrified of it. I didn't even watch it, and I'm glad I didn't. Y'all wasted 2 hours of y'all life. Watermelon is bomb. I don't understand what the whole hype is. Everybody's talking about, oh, watermelon is trash. Like, who told you that? And I can't have y'all putting negative stigmas out there on watermelon like that. Like, watermelon is bomb. Maybe you had a bad watermelon. Maybe your watermelon was soggy. But watermelon isn't bad. Watermelon is good. And it's good for you. City Girls is popping. Y'all want to say City Girls is bad influence, this, that, and the other? That's the turn up, okay? City Girls and Cardi got it going on. And that's it. Period. Blueface is trash. We could fight about this. We could fight about this. Blueface runs from the beat like he's allergic to it. Here's the beat. And Blueface is right here going like this in a whole different direction. It's like, bruh, the beat is like this. Go like this. Stay on the beat. Yeah. Tatiana was a good song. The chorus part of the song, okay? The turn up, okay? When he started rapping and was doing this, and the beat was like this, and he was just all over. No. Let's not do it. This was my unpopular opinions video. Understand my unpopular opinions, okay? They're my opinions. I don't think that these opinions should be used to attack anyone or any of the people that I have mentioned or establishments in this video. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up below, as well as join the fam, hit that subscribe button, okay? And let's get it popping in the comments. If you agree or disagree, I want to hear from you down below. Till next time, y'all.